Hello and welcome to Kolhan Mathematics, the place where numbers make sense and math becomes easy. Here you will find the clear explanations, shortcut tricks, and problem solving strategies to help you tackle even the toughest questions with confidence. So hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and let's embark on this journey to master mathematics together. Let's get started. Our first question is our first question is what is the common difference of the AP? So AP is 3, 3, 7, 11, 15. So see what is the difference? What is the difference? 4 is the difference. 4 is the difference. So this common difference is called the CD of the AP. CD means common difference. So here the common difference of the AP of this series is 4. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. The formula for the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, A minus n minus 1 into D, A plus nd, and A minus nd. Which one is correct? The correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Next, if the first term of an AP is 5, means this is A, and the common difference is 6, means CD, means D. We can also write CD as D. So what is the eighth term? So what is the eighth term? I have written here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 6, and A8 is equal to question mark. So we can write A8 is equal to A plus 7D. So put the value of A and put the value of D. What is the value of A? A 5, D 6. So A plus 7 into 6, 42 plus 5, 47. So its correct answer is 47. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option C, 47. Next, which of the following sequences is not an arithmetic progression? If the question is asking about not, then you have to keep in mind that this type of questions are very confusing. You have to focus very properly. So here there are four sequences. Here the difference is 2, difference is 2, 2 to same, means this is in AP. This is also in AP. This is not in AP because here the difference is 5, here the difference is 10, here the difference is 40. So there is no common difference in this sequence. And in this sequence, it is the difference. What is the difference? The difference is the 3. So here A, B, C are the sequences of AP. So is the option C is the correct option, which is not in sequence of arithmetic progression. So its correct answer is option C, 5, 10, 20, and 40. Next, what is the sum of the first 20 natural numbers? First 20 natural numbers. So first consider the natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, right up to 20. So there is a very shortcut trick to find the sum of natural numbers. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So question is asking about 20 natural numbers. Question is asking about 20 natural numbers. So put the value of n here 20 and add 1 in 20. It will become 21 divided by 2. So cancel 20 by 2. So 10, 2 10 are 20 and 10 into 21 is equal to how much? 210. So its correct answer is 210. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option B, 210. Very important questions. Next, which term of the AP 5, 10, 15, 20 is 50? This type of question is asked every year. So solve it. First, see that what is given. A is given, sequence is given, so we can determine the value of D also. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 5, and what is the common difference? The common difference is 5. So we can easily determine that this is the last term. So put the value of general term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An is equal to 50. A is equal to 5, n minus 1 as it is, D is equal to 5. So now 5 will come here. So 50 minus 5 becomes 45, and keep it as it is, n minus 1 into 5. Now 50 minus 5 is equal to 45, and bring this 5 in the denominator of 45. Now 45 by 5 is equal to n minus 1, and cancel this 45 with this 5. So 5 9 is 45. So n is equal to 9 minus 1. Bring 1 in left hand side. So it will add up with 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So n equal to 10 is the correct answer. So hence we have four options: 8, 9, 10 and 11. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option C, 10. Next, the number of terms in the AP. This is the same as of the last one. Here A is equal to 3 and D is also equal to 3. So put the general term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to 30. A is equal to 3 plus keep n minus 1 as it is, and D is equal to 3. Bring this 3 in left hand side. So 30 minus 3, n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 30 minus 3 is equal to 27, n minus 1 into 3. So divide these 3 with 27. To 27 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 9 are 27. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. Again 9 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 10. So we have four options: 8, 9, 10, 11. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option C. Answer is 10. Next, the sum of first 12 terms of an AP, where A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 2. The sum of first 12 terms means Sn is equal to given. Sorry, we have to find out S12 is equal to question mark. So we know that the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 multiplied by 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 12 terms means put 12 in place of n. So if we are putting here n equal to 12, then we have to also put n equal to 12 in right hand side. So 12 by 2 is equal to 2 into A. What is the value of A? 7. Plus 12 minus 1 into D. D is 2. Now 12 by 2 is equal to 6. 2 7 are 14. And 12 minus 1 equal to 11. 11 into 2, 22. So 6 into 14 plus 22 is equal to 36. And 36 into 6, it becomes 216. We have four options. Option A 216, 150, 162 and 168. The correct option is option A 216. You can see the solution. So the correct option is option A 216. Next, if the first term of an AP is 2, means A is equal to 2, and the common difference is 3. Common difference is 3, means D is also given 3. What is 15th term? What is 15th term? The 15th term is equal to, we can write A plus 14D. Value of A is equal to 2. Value of D is equal to 3. So 14 3 is 42 plus 2, 44. The correct answer is 44 of this question. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option A. Option A 44. These objective questions has been asked in the previous years. So practice these questions properly. These may come in your examinations. So that is it for today's lesson. I hope you found this session helpful and easy to understand. And most importantly, subscribe to Kolhan Mathematics and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We will be back with more exciting math tricks and lessons. Thank you very much.